going down the street, and suddenly, while I'm traveling, I'm hearing screaming and watching the horse-drawn fire trucks galloping by. I cannot imagine what is happening. So I go running and I turn the corner. No, oh my word, my building is on fire. Oh no! And the girls, my friends, they're up at the fire escape. They're all clambering onto the fire escape, but it tore from the building. It had been so poorly inspected, it did not hold. And the men, the firemen, they were desperate to try to help these women at the window. They took their ladders, they braced them up against the building. But the ladders only went to the 6th floor. We worked on the 9th floor. There was a man at the window taking the girls by the hand and helping them out as though he's helping them across a mud puddle, but he was just helping them out into eternity. 146 girls, mostly young girls, of course there were a few men, perished in that fire. Why? Because the owners of the factory locked the back door, and the fire started at the front door. They were afraid there would be thieves coming in the night, to steal threads or bobbins. There was no way out but the window. These women who perished can never be forgotten. We must always remember them.